Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this fried plantain sandwich. I have a clean chicken breast here, and you can use any protein you want to make your sandwich. Today I'm using chicken. And what I'm going to do first is to pound it out so that it can be a little bit flatter and fit in the sandwich a lot easier. I've flattened it to about 1/2 inch, and now I'm going to season it. First, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on both sides, just so that the seasonings can stick a lot better. Actually, I'm going to do one side first. Use anything you like to season your chicken. I'm going to be using a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, a little bit of salt, smoked paprika, and some dried parsley. And now I'm going to let this marinate for a few minutes. On medium heat, I'm going to heat up a little bit of unsalted butter. And this is about 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to cook the chicken breast for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. In this same pan, I'm going to saute some onions and sweet peppers for a few seconds. I'm gonna fry these in some vegetable oil. And after 4 minutes, I'm gonna flip them. So after frying the plantains for 4 minutes per side, I'm going to press them. If you have one of those mashers, you can use it, but I've saved back a part of the skin to help me press it. You can use foil as well. Sometimes I use foil to do this. If you're using the skin, just make sure your plantain is clean. I did wash my plantain earlier. And now I'm going to add the plantain pieces back into the oil to fry for another 2 minutes. So one of my pieces actually broke while mashing, but that's fine because I was planning to cut them after anyway. If you're adding salt, right after frying would be perfect to add it. I'm not going to be adding any because I added enough to my chicken earlier. And now we're going to build our sandwich. I'm going to be using just one side, which actually turned out to be the perfect size for my sandwich. And remember, you can add or customize your sandwich to however you like it. This is just my take on a green plantain sandwich. First, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. Then I'm going to go in with my juicy, flavorful chicken breast. Actually, I'm going to go in with my peppers and onions first that I sauteed earlier. And then my chicken. Some tomatoes and lettuce. The crispiness of the plantain with that juicy, savory, flavorful chicken breast and that subtle hint of sweetness from the ketchup, onions and peppers definitely made this sandwich one of the best I've had. Hope you get a chance to try it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe if you're not yet a part of the fam. Let's stay connected. All my social media links are in the description and you can find the recipe there as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.